Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, this reading is going to be for my Capricorn. We'll see what's in store for you in your love life. We'll see your person's energy, your energy, and how are they feeling for you right now. Okay, Capricorn? So guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can get in touch with me. All the details are mentioned below in the description box. Okay? So let's see, what is your person thinking about you, Capricorn? If you're a cross watcher who is drawn to this video, you may have a message here. You can switch the energies and reverse the roles as it suits you, okay? So let's see, what do we have in store for my Capricorn? What is your person thinking about you? Four of Wands. This person definitely is trying to call you, message you. I think you both have started talking to each other recently. I see union. It's like this person may have approached you, or this could be you who may have approached this person. I see reconciliation, Four of Wands. For most of you, maybe you've recently got in touch with each other, and this is reunion. Alright, Four of Wands is reunion. This is celebration. This person wants to celebrate life with you. This person wants to marry you. They see you as the one. I think this is somebody who has chosen you. Okay, with the Four of Wands, this person has chosen you. So Nine of Wands. This person fears, what if you leave them? Maybe this person has gone through some breakups in the past. Maybe there were some other people who may have betrayed this person, and this person feels, what if you leave them or somebody else takes you away from them. Okay, so this person is in this place where they are fearful of losing you. All right, this person is very possessive and very protective about you. Okay, yeah, Three of Wands. See, this person wants you. This is somebody who is manifesting you. This is somebody who is thinking about you day in and day out. Okay, we have the Hermit, and I saw this also, so I'll take this, Hermit and the Fool. This is somebody who is very happy. They feel that you bring excitement in their life. You have brought a lot of happiness in their life. This person may have found you after a lot of efforts, like they may have done many things to have you in their life. Okay, this is their feeling. This is somebody who is right now in an hermit mode too. So this person is somebody who is thinking about you, meditating. Maybe there is this distance, you cannot meet each other, or you both stay in different countries, whatever it is, or like there is this distance between both of you. This person is thinking and contemplating on what to do next, like how to take this relationship to the next level. Okay, this is somebody who is thinking about this. With the Fool, I feel that this person at times, they feel that going forward with you in this relationship is risky, but then they are going to do it happily. This is somebody who will do anything and everything for you. Okay, they love you to no limits. Capricorn, this is somebody who loves you too much. Okay, so please don't lose out on this person. This is somebody who is very loyal. Like this is somebody, I don't know, I feel this is somebody who will love you to an extent that nobody can. Okay, this is, I mean, this is somebody who is very, very serious for you, Capricorn. Okay, Six of Swords and Seven of Swords. For some of you, I feel this is somebody who is very secretive about this connection. Like they don't want people to know about this connection. Okay, or they want this. This is somebody who wants to have you, and they are planning things secretly. With the Six of Swords, Seven of Swords, Swords energy. So they're trying to get information about you, Capricorn. This is somebody who wants you, but somebody is trying to influence this person. This is like maybe somebody is against this connection. Okay, so maybe they feel that either their parents or this could be somebody around them who is against you. Okay, so this person is, they want things to be secret for now. So that is one thing that I see. It's like whatever they are doing it secretly. All right, they may come to see you. They I think this person is not ready to make this relationship public. For some of you, I feel that this person is not ready to make this connection public. Okay, maybe they know that they have to fight some battles. Could be in their family, maybe their family members are against this, or could be that they may have a family already, or they find it difficult to convince their family, something like this. Okay, because 7 of Swords with 6 of Swords is definitely saying that this person has lot to sort in their life before they marry you. Like the intentions are to marry you, but then I think this person right now, they want to keep things secret. Okay, this is what I feel here. It's like at times this person feels like running away with you. See, we have the 6 of Swords. They feel like taking you away and running away with you. Like maybe your family is against this person, Capricorn. Okay, for some of you could be that you can't be with this person for whatever reasons, and this person wants to take you away from everybody and they want to run. Okay, this person is that serious for you. I'm so sorry. So this person is somebody who wants to run away with you at times because they feel that being with you is impossible. Maybe your family is against them or their family is against you, something like this. Okay, so let's see what are you thinking for them, Capricorn. What are your feelings? We'll see your feelings. Okay, Queen of Swords. I feel that you are in this place. This is so cute. You know, you are in this place of Queen of Swords where you are angry, but you know that you can't stay angry on this person for very long. Okay, this is somebody who is angry on the exteriors, but internally, if this person comes to you, you'll run away with them. Okay. So this is something where I think you guys are very serious for each other. Like you may show that you are angry, you may not talk to this person for some reason or whatever it is, but I see you in a place where you are kind of, you have no control over your emotion. It's like, you know, even if you want to move away, you can't. Okay, I see this energy of Queen of Swords where, see, look at this female. She has a sword in her hand. Okay, she has a cat below, she has a feather. Okay, this is a feather on her left hand. If you see, she is waiting for you. She doesn't want to see you. She doesn't want to see that side. It's like you don't want to see that side where this person is. Like you may have turned your back for some of you, but still your heart calls for this person. You still want this person. Okay, that's the energy. Queen of Swords in this scenario is a bit different. Okay, this is somebody who may show that you wait and watch. I will do a tit for tat. You treated me like this, I will treat you the same. But when it comes to love, this woman, or this could be a male, gender really doesn't matter, but this woman has no control over her emotions. Like I feel that you love this person to no extent, Capricorn. Okay, it's like I feel that you just melt. Okay, when this person is there, you just melt. Yeah, so okay, I think I've got 3 cards. Hierophant, Magician and Ace of Swords. See, this is your energy. It is mutual, Capricorn. See, you are manifesting them, they are manifesting you. What else can I say? Okay, you want victory, you want this person anyhow. Okay, you're manifesting this person, you're thinking about them day in and day out. With the Hierophant, you are planning marriage, or you could have uh, spoken to your family about this person, you could have spoken to your friends about this person. I feel that you want to marry this person and you're very serious for this person, Capricorn. Okay, so this is mutual, like you both have immense love for each other, you both want each other. But for some of you, could be with the Seven of Swords and Six of Swords, this person, I mean, this person is stuck somewhere, because of which they are doing things in a hidden way. Maybe the time is not right. This person, maybe this person comes to meet you, but they are not ready to, show you or discuss about you to their friends, families, for whatever reasons. Okay, maybe the time is not right, but then they are serious for you. Okay, I think some of you have recently come back together. Maybe you were not in talking terms, this person called you all of a sudden, or you call them. There is reconciliation already. It's like you both have come together already. Okay, for most of you, I see that you both have come together recently. And for the others of you, if you haven't already, then this person is not going anywhere, they're coming back to you. Okay, maybe this person is going through some problems in their family life, work life, they're trying to sort that. Once this is done, this person will come back to you. Okay, so bottom of the deck is Six of Pentacles. See, I think an equal give and take is required in this connection. Like you both will have to invest equally, Capricorn. Okay, that's the message here. So let's see what love messages do we have for you. We'll see what does your person think about you. Okay, some love messages from their end. So let's see, what do they think about you, Capricorn? We'll see what do they think about you. We'll pull some cards to see their feelings for you. Okay, yeah, you are my home. See, I said this person is manifesting you, you are manifesting them. It's mutual, you both. Yeah, see, the second is, I will convince your parents. Didn't I say, I think parents are also involved. Like either your parents are against this or this person's parents are against this. Okay, so whatever it is, this person says that they will convince your parents, Capricorn. So let's see what else do we have for you. Yeah, one more card. We are so much alike. They feel that you both are very much alike. It's like you both mirror each other. Whatever you think, they think. Whatever they think, you think. And you both are made for each other. This is a divine connection, Capricorn. Okay, and this is somebody who has love for you and they're very loyal. Even if they are stuck somewhere else, this person is very loyal as far as their feelings are concerned. So don't just leave them for anything else on this earth. Okay, this is somebody who is very genuine. Maybe they have done some mistakes, so don't judge them for whatever they have done in the past. You can always give them a second chance, Capricorn. This is somebody, even if they did something wrong in the past, this is a changed person today, Capricorn. So give them a chance if you can. Okay, yeah, very soon. See, some of you, I think you're confused. You feel, at times, you feel that, do I even want this person? So you are confused between career and this person. Okay, some of you, you don't know whether you really want this person or not. So universe, this card is all about, universe is asking you to be sure. If you want this person, universe will bring this person back to you. If you don't want this person, then you will be sent somebody else. So it is clearly in your hands. So you have to decide. See what it's written, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Some of you, I feel that it's you who is confused, Capricorn. Okay, you don't know. At times you feel that this is the one for you, at times you are like, no, this is not the one for you. So you are confused. So don't stay confused for too long, because if you stay confused in this energy, maybe this person will be gone. Maybe they find somebody else and universe brings somebody else in their life. So it's you who have to decide, okay, whether you want them or not. So I think this is in your hands, Capricorn. So we'll see one more message for you. Yeah, pay attention to the red flags, the signs are cautioning you. We'll clarify this, just a sec, I'll clarify this. Why is this card here? Let me see, why do we have this here? Please clarify this. What is cautioning? Hermit and Five of Cups. Okay. Some of you are trying to manifest an ex in your life. It's like somebody you are not in touch with. Okay, this could be for singles also. Maybe you are trying to manifest an ex who's already gone. This is somebody who is not there in your life. You're not talking to this person. This person is not talking to you. You are still waiting for this person. So you're being asked to move on in life. Okay, don't manifest somebody who didn't treat you right. Don't manifest somebody who doesn't care for you. This is somebody who left you for somebody else. See, we have the Five of Cups and Hermit. So why you want this person? If somebody doesn't treat you right, somebody doesn't care, somebody doesn't respect you, why you want that person, Capricorn? You're being, see, this is saying that pay attention to the red flags, the signs are cautioning you. It means some of you are manifesting an ex who was not right. Okay, somebody who was not loyal, and you're still stuck over that ex. So don't manifest somebody who doesn't deserve you, Capricorn. Okay, you're being asked to move on. All right, in fact, this is the one who is there for you already. So you're being asked to move on with this person, not this ex. Okay, this is somebody who may have juggled you with somebody else. This is somebody who is, let me clarify this more, just a sec. Tell me about this ex. Yeah, see, didn't I just say, Capricorn? See, we have the Eight of Cups. This is somebody who has left you already. This is somebody who has moved on in life. See, this is somebody who may have chosen somebody else over you. Why you want this person? Life is too beautiful to stay stuck for a person who didn't respect you, who doesn't love you, who has chosen somebody else over you. Why you want this person, Capricorn? Okay, so this is why we have this message for you. See, pay attention to the red flags, the signs are cautioning you. It's like universe is trying to tell you, move on, don't stay stuck with this, stay stuck for this person. Some of you, maybe you're trying to, like, maybe you are with this person, but you are still thinking about an ex of yours who left you or who didn't treat you right, whatever it is, for whatever reasons. This is a general reading. This could be anything. Maybe they left you for somebody else. For most of you, I feel that this is somebody who left you for somebody else, because we have the Five of Cups also. Okay, so you're being asked to move on. Okay, move on and choose this. Maybe you already have somebody in your life, Capricorn. You are being asked to choose this person, the one who has love for you, the one who is loyal, the one who is just for you. Okay, this is a divine connection. This, not this one. This is somebody who has left you already. Don't focus on this person. Okay, move on. Yeah, so that was that, guys. Okay, as far as sun signs are concerned, I feel that you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Saggy, Capricorn, Virgo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Taurus, because these sun signs are prominent. Okay, so most of you could be dealing with these sun signs. Yeah, so that was that, Capricorn. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. And thank you so much. You guys take care, be safe, bye.